Welcome back to Steady Abba. If you're here today, your mind is likely running a few miles ahead of your body. You're playing out scenarios, checking your mental list, and waiting for a shoe to drop that hasn't even been made yet. That constant arm of worry, it's exhausting. It's like trying to sail through a thick fog. You can't see the land, so you assume the rocks are everywhere. First, let's acknowledge that your anxiety is actually trying to help you. It's an overprotective friend. It thinks that by worrying, it's preparing you. But there is a difference between preparation and rumination. Preparation is buying a life vest. Rumination is wearing it in the bathtub because you're afraid the pipes might burst. It's okay to tell that part of your brain, I hear you, but we are safe right now. Now, let's find our coordinates. Wherever you are, I want you to soften your shoulders. We carry so much of what-ifs in our traps and jaws. Let it go. Imagine your worries as small boats drifting into this harbor. Usually, you try to jump on every boat to see where it's going. Today, we're going to stay on the dock. Watch the worry boat float in. Note its name, maybe it's work, or health, or social blunder. Acknowledge it. Then watch the tide pull it back out. You don't have to board the ship to know it exists. Constant worry is a tax we pay on a future that hasn't happened yet. And most of the time, the things we pay for never arrive. If a problem is solvable, solve it. If it isn't solvable right this second, it doesn't deserve your peace. You are allowed to be happy even if there are unsolved problems in your life. The harbor is steady not because it's empty, but because it's built to withstand the tide. Rest here as long as you need. The fog will lift, the tide will turn, and you're still here. Safe, grounded, and steady. Thanks for stopping by the Abba today. Remember, you're safe here.